情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Yo, it's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。Alice， 我觉得时间过得很快。最近我朋友从美国回来，但他们小孩都已经进大学了。
是哦，我同学小孩也太好毕业呗。
哦，他们还大学毕业了，是更大一点了。Let's teach people about this. Graduation， 毕业。
毕业。
毕业。他明年就要大学毕业了。He's graduating from college next year.
幾萬年。
幾萬年。
去愛大學畢業咧。
去愛大學畢業咧。OK， 就要畢業了。大學是
大學
，That's a college, all right？ 那你家人會參加你的畢業典禮嗎？
也不可能。
也不可能。
會參加。
會參加。
唔嘅畢業典禮麼？
唔嘅畢業典禮麼？OK， 畢業典禮
就是畢業典禮。
I remember that day. It was very exciting. And let's go ahead and go back and review these terms, such as college, 大學,
大學,
大學, and then a graduation, 畢業典禮,
畢業典禮,
畢業典禮, and then to attend, 參加,
參加,
參加. And there you have it. If you're graduating this year, congratulations. And that does today's Daily Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺是誰張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.